Okay, so this is how we're going to utilize Adobe Spark for project for Unit 9. Step 1, from the home page, click Sign In. Continue with Google and sign in using your AISD information that you use for everything else. Select Personal Account. Alright, once we're on the home page, after signing in, we're going to be looking for the templates. You don't want to search. Do you see how there are over 20,000 templates? That's just going to make your life harder than it needs to be. So, slideshow video. This is the one we want. We're going to give it a title. You can just call it your Adobe Spark project. Now, you can pick any one of these templates that appeals to you. Your options do include starting from scratch. That will take more time, but if you're very creative and want to put in that little bit of extra effort, that's absolutely an option. I'm going to select Teach a Lesson. All right, it's going to preload some slides for you. All you have to do is edit the slides. You are welcome to watch the tutorial if you choose to. You're not required to because I'm making this video, which is a tutorial. So, first slide, we're going to add, that's what the plus sign means, text. And we're just going to give it the same name as the project. It's a title screen. So, Adobe Spark Project. The second slide, let's go ahead and add a video, or a photo. Find free photos. You can search for anything related to your theme, which is observation. Oh, look, somebody observing nature from a park bench. And then you can add text to the slide. And this is where you might want to put in your first quote. You're going to continue to fill out the slides until you have your theme and a quote from each text included on the slides. However many slides that takes, if you want to break it up into multiples, that's fine. Then I would like you to adjust the music that goes with your slideshow. Make sure that you are selecting background music that is related to your theme and your quotes, okay? If your theme and your quotes have a more positive tone, we want to select a more positive background music. Then you're going to click Share, Publish, Create Link. This will take a moment, so please be patient with this part of the process. Copy the link, and now you're going to share the link with me. You're going to come over to Canvas. Let me close out the window where I embedded the link for this video. Go to your inbox, new message, select a course. Make sure you click on favorite courses so it'll keep the window pulled up. Select our course, begin to type my name, paste the link, and then you will click send. That's it.